Stitch markers made simple. A beginner's guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, stitch marker. Whether you're a knitting enthusiast or just curious about this term, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery of stitch markers together. A stitch marker is a tool used in knitting and crocheting. It's a small marker that helps you keep track of your stitches. Think of it as a bookmark for your knitting project. It can be a simple ring, a decorative charm, or even a small clip. Stitch markers are placed on the knitting needle or directly on the stitches. Why use stitch markers? They serve several purposes. 1. Marking the beginning of a round in circular knitting. 2. Highlighting important sections like where a new pattern begins. 3. Keeping track of stitch counts and increases or decreases in the pattern. 4. Preventing mistakes by reminding you of special stitches or pattern repeats. There are different types of stitch markers. 1. Ring markers. These slip onto the needle and are best for marking positions between stitches. 2. Locking markers. These can be clipped onto the stitches themselves and are great for crochet or more detailed knitting. 3. Decorative markers. Often handmade, these add a bit of fun and personality to your knitting. To use a stitch marker, simply place it at the required position on your needle or stitch. When you reach the marker while knitting, transfer it to the other needle, or acknowledge it as a cue for a specific action in your pattern. Remember, the key to using stitch markers effectively is consistency. And that's all about stitch markers. I hope this video makes your knitting or crocheting journey easier and more enjoyable. Happy crafting, and see you in our next video.